Hey guys, this is Chris again, coming in with another review. Today's review and unboxing is the Monta. This is the Skyquest. I've heard nothing but great things about Monta from my buddies Ace and Sam, and they both have the Ocean King and the Triumph. And like I said, they said nothing but great things about the company. And I've spoken with Justin, the owner, a couple times over the phone. He seems like a pretty cool, pretty laid back dude. And I pre-ordered this for about $1,600, I believe was the price. Can't remember. Now they're up to $1,900, which for a micro is a lot. But it's one of those things you got to see in person to understand the quality of. I mean, the quality is just killer. Wristwatch check. Windows NFL Primero. And onto the watch. Come with, I don't know if this is just like a holiday only thing or not, but I come with the Everest 15% off Everest bands, which I gotta check those out sometime. They're pretty cool from what I heard. And I believe Everest is the sister company to Monta, or vice versa. I believe they came over from, the owners came over from Everest. And they still work with them, I believe. And Everest polishing cloth, pretty cool. This wood box is pretty killer. This presentation is nicer than my Zenith box, even the El Primero. It's kind of a smudge magnet though. Come with the bracelet changing tool, the sizing tool. Come with this gray RAF NATO, which I probably won't use on the watch. Once you see the bracelet, you'll understand why. I'll definitely use it, but it'll probably be on with my other pieces. Probably keep the bracelet on this all the time. It's a warranty card. Little travel pouch. Pretty cool. Monta logo. Of course, the instruction booklet, you guys have all seen those. But onto the watch itself. This blue dial is a killer blue dial. They came up with their own blue for it, I believe. The watch comes in a little over 40 millimeters, 20 millimeter lugs, and it tapers down to 18 millimeters. But the bezel is bidirectional. About one of my only gripes on this watch so far is the clasp is a little tough to grip. It takes a little bit to pull apart. But there's that Solita SW330 movement, kind of almost similar to the Zen. But guys, check out this bracelet. I mean, how many bracelets do you know can do that? The finishing on this is really, really killer. But there's another shot of that dial. That dial is killer. You see the date window down at the 6 o'clock. And the only other gripe I have about it is it does tend to be a bit of a smudge magnet on the dial, which I'm kind of used to that. That's not a big deal. You know, can't clean it off. Used to that on the U1, but overall, my impressions, I definitely recommend this. This is my first foray into Monta, and probably won't be my last. This is a pretty killer piece for the price. But yeah, look for a long-term review of this coming up probably in another month or so. Overall, like I said, I would definitely recommend this. They come with a black dial also, and a black and gilt dial. The bezel I went with was steel. Kind of reminds me of the Explorer 2 aesthetics. But like I said, overall, I definitely recommend this. Alright guys, peace.